Hi everyone, we are team 2 of SER 517 class, and we are creating a web application for dorm room movers. It is an application to track referrals. There are actually four actors involved here, like ambassador, admin, customer, and leads. So a student can sign up as an ambassador, and he will have a dashboard on the website where he can find a unique link which he will share it to other students. Any student can use that link to sign up and use the services. An admin is someone who will manage the website, and he will track the performances of the ambassador. Uh, Leads are students who sign up and are not using the services yet, and a lead is called a customer after he starts using the service. This is the main idea of our application. We did a feasibility study for the application, and we did requirements engineering to gather all the requirements from the sponsors, and we conducted a lot of meetings and iterations to get a clear idea of what we are building. And this is about our this is the wiki page for sprint 1. Yeah, so the main goal for our sprint is to create a UI sign up functionality for the customers and creating a dashboard for the ambassador to measure his progress. These are the details about our sprint 1, and the sprint 1 user stories that we did were these three user stories of creating a dashboard and a home page and a login feature for the ambassadors and the admin to log in. This is how our burn down chart looks for the sprint. So Maria will continue with what we have did in the deliverable.
So hi, this is our home page of the application DOM Removers. So here we have implemented the login and the register functionality. So any new user can register. So any new user can register by providing all the credentials, and existing users can log in. So I'll show a demo of the register functionality. We require an 8-digit password. So a new user after registration will be taken to their page showing the statistics, and an existing user can log in. Okay, so this will be the landing page dashboard showing the statistics, and every user will be given, every ambassador will be given a unique link and coupon code which he can share with other students, and depending on his payments or depending on functionality of getting paid. So here he sees the statistics of like how many visitors he got, how many leads he got, how many paid customers, and the logout functionality so it's also implemented. Yeah.
So you can start. Hi guys. I have made this architecture diagram for our application. So basically, clients can connect to the system on the basis with the help of APIs. So there are different services. The first is authentication service, which is basically used for login and register. And then there is a URL code service. So once the user registers, so they will get a URL and code which they can use and help to promote the service, and that will be generated through the e-commerce platform. And then we have track visit service, which is basically for the admins, so they can see how many visitors have visited the website. And then there is compensation service. So on the basis of how much the ambassadors has promoted the service, they will get compensation, and this service is to track that. And then QR code flyer service. This service basically generates a QR code. So if the ambassador wants to promote the service and they want something like so that user can scan and just go to the link for the e-commerce platform. So this service is to generate the QR code. And then social media service is basically to promote the service on different social media platforms. And then we have the DB is basically MariaDB. So these all data will be stored in MariaDB. The services will always be in contact with the DB. And then there is administration tool. So we have different types of admin tasks, like the admin can reject any request from the ambassadors which are not valid. And then they can even manage different type of services if they want to edit something. And yeah, so basically this is the overall idea for the application architecture.
Hi, I'm Priyanka, and I created this use case diagram for our application. So this is the referral tracking system which we are going to create. And so there are two actors in this. One is ambassador, one is admin. So the role, so the ambassador will be registering on the portal, and then like later on, once he registered, he can log in into the account and like so at the backend verify password, and if the password will be verified, and if it's not the correct password, it will display a login error. Then the next task he can do is complete. There's a to-do task list which can be completed by the master, and which will be managed by the admin. And also ambassador can share URL or QR code or coupon code with the potential customers, and based on the number of customers that paid for the service using the coupon code, ambassador is going to receive compensation. And as of admin can manage ambassador's task list, the to-do task list. Like he can manage the tasks in the task list, and basically and pay compensation to the ambassador based on the new leads and customers as they keep increasing. And he can also track ambassador's performance based on the total number of leads, customers, or visits ambassador was able to like make it happen so far, and verify the task completion in the to-do task list. Moreover, admin can terminate ambassador's account based on like if there's no past account activity from a long time, based on that, or otherwise if there's a account termination request from the ambassador. So these are the two ways they can terminate, like admin can terminate the ambassador's account. So yeah, that's it. And this is another use case diagram. This is what will happen on Dorm Room Movers website. So basically, when a potential customer signs up using the URL given by the ambassador, so he becomes a lead uh, when they sign up, and when the potential customer, when the leads, when they pay for a service using the coupon code given by the ambassador, and so that time they are the customers, and based on like the number of customers, ambassadors are going to get paid. So, and the coupon code over here will apply a discount to the customer, like service whatever he has asked for. So that's all.
So hello. So in conclusion to this video, I'll just explain our roles, what we did in sprint 1. So Preeti was our scrum master for this sprint, and Priyanka was our product associate. They both tied with the business and helped us arrange meetings frequently. And then as part of our responsibilities, Priyanka worked in the login part of the application. She created the login page, login and adding the sign up functionality. Maria helped in creating our ambassador page and the home page. And then Preeti and Priyanka, they both worked in creating our use case diagrams. In addition to that, Rahul also helped us in creating our architecture diagram, which was quite important as part of the application process. And then I chipped in to help in writing scripts for MariaDB in order to connect our front end and the backend application. And yeah, that's what we all did in sprint 1. So thank you.